Okay. Shiva, go ahead and share the screen.
Sir, we also do that at the same time.
Yes, yes. Oh, you did already? Okay. Can you create a new folder? Okay. Start from there. New package and start from beginning. Okay. Right click. Create employee or something. Your employee customer, right? Okay. Customer service. Follow the standards. So if you see all our caps letters given packages, so try to give cap letter. First letter should be capital. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Customer service. Okay. So everyone create a customer service package. Yeah, you can explain. Sure. The thing that it's your team. Okay. Explain. You already done. So explain. Adapter services. Yeah, adapter services. Make it as adapter services. Okay. So question here. Okay. Adapter. Have you heard about word adapter?
In electron.
Adapter, right? Even in household, like something we will use adapters.
Yes, sir. For dishes.
Charger.
Charger. What it do? It connect to the main power supply and it convert into another
Yes.
power supply. Correct? So from about 222 for 12 volts.
Yes, sir.
AC. Correct? Correct. It's a just a converter. It will not do any other things. Correct? Similarly, the same word adapter came here. Okay. So the adapter service, why we say is we are just connecting to the database, we are querying the database, or we are updating the database. The functionality is just your adapter is connecting to the database. You're getting the code we are writing, the service, it's just connecting to the database. That's why we call it as a adapter services. Okay. Yeah, finish. Can you close other files which you opened? Can you close all the files? It's confusing. Right click and click close all. You can make it there. Close all. Close all. Okay. I think everyone learn how to close it. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Not adapter service. Can you show the table? Yeah. 3 rows, 3 records, 3 records. Yeah. So first what we are doing is it's a simple kind of select column names from table. That functionality is doing without any where clause, anything. So reading all the records from the database. Okay. So you can name get customer. Yeah. Get is small. Get is small. G is small. No, it's not mandatory, but with the name, everyone should understand, right? So how can I give, suppose let's say if I'm creating, okay, I will say create customer. Okay, get customer. No need of record, no need of records. Get customer, that's it. Get customer is nothing but all, yeah, reading the customer. Okay. Suppose let's say only one customer you are reading. Get customer by ID. If I give, it's a meaningful, right? Get customer by ID. Okay, we'll come back to those things. Okay, next. Everyone is following, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah, so this one is like, yeah. Mm, mm, So this is a connection you have created. Can you go to, yeah, wait. So this connection, right? Can you go to the integration server? You can show that is a server connection you have created there. Are you ready? So we created a connection in integration server. That integration server connection is shown here. Okay. Mm. Okay. Wait here. Yeah. Shiva, wait. So here some of the templates are shown. On the top you can see select a template. Templates is nothing but they give a, like, you want to query, select means you want to query the table, so you can use a select SQL. If you want to update the query, update the table, you can use update SQL. Like that they given, templates. So sure, can you take the screenshot this one? There is a question will come here. Okay. What are the templates available in adapter services? Okay, everyone noted down, right? Remember, and in the document, I need these things. What are the templates available in JDBC? So we know generally select, update, insert, delete, right? Generally we know these tables, any table. But there are few things. Store procedure also we know, we can remember. But there is a batch insert, batch update is there. Anyone idea what is batch insert versus insert SQL? Batch insert was, yeah. No, batch inserts is like, let's say I have 10 records. Let's say assuming that someone is send like XML message. In XML message, I have a 10 customer records are there. Okay, I want to insert all those customer records in at a time in database instead of inserting one customer record at a time. Okay, at that time I will use batch insert. It's a batch. Batch means it's a collection, right? It's not, yeah, group. Yeah, group. You're performing group of actions at one go. That is batch insert. You are in a group of records inserting at a time in the database. No, that is you're selecting the records group by. Okay, but here I'm talking about insertion, not selection. Batch insert is nothing but you are inserting a record in the database. Okay, if I insert a 10 record at a time in the database, you call it as a batch insert. You got it? Sure, Prasad. The one you talking group by is a different group by department, group by you're seeing insert. The group that is not an insert, it's a select query. Okay, clear, right? Okay, you have taken the screenshot.
Sure.
Can you paste it somewhere? And everyone should after that, in a notepad or notes, you have to note it down. This one. Okay. There is a question will come here. Okay. Yeah. Select. Oh yeah. Next, go ahead. So whichever we are doing in selection right now, he's selecting select SQL. Yeah. Mm. So what he is doing is he is going to connect the database. Yeah, where the table is created. Yeah. Hmm. 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 Not there, right? No, see, Shiva. Okay, yeah, delete those two. Okay, good. Not here. You selected the table. That's okay. You should go to the select tab. If you want all the table, all the columns, click the second one. If you want all the columns, yeah, second one. Yes, click. It automatically gives you all the columns from the database. Okay, everyone is got right. How it is done? Okay.
I'm not
So all
created
the,
this data in SQL. So what can I do?
can you come again?
I'm not created this data in MySQL.
Then no way you can query, right?
Okay.
Yashwant? So what? See, what we are doing is we are wanted to query the table. If the table is not there in the database, how you can query?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. So instead of doing, I know from here that guy is explained. You can right click and execute, but you can run similarly the way we do. Select this get customer. Can you see left side? You have a get customer, right? Can you select that? No, here. This one get customer. Go here. Here. Yeah. Go right click. Yeah. No, not that. Run as. Can you go to the run as? Just to show run as. You have a run service. This is considered as a run service. Previous one yesterday's what we did is run flow service. You got it? This one is a run service. Previous one is a run flow service. Okay. You can run this also. Yeah. No. So if you have created a flow service, you will get a run flow service, but we are not. Okay. Yeah. Flow services. Those are flows. Yeah. Run flow service. Run service. Okay. Yeah. So there are two ways you can run. You can click on that connection, dollar connection, and you can run. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Correct. Okay. So you got it right. So good. So what about Anusha? Have you done this one? Can you do till this one? I want you to show me get customer by ID. Can you do that?
Okay, sir, I will do that.
Nagaraj, you also get customer by ID. Yashwant, you can also. Creating table, I don't think. Yeah. Hmm. I don't. Frankly, I don't know. I need to ask Ramna only. Okay. So for me, like, I'm not a database expert. Okay. So I need to ask Ramna. My knowledge of, I can create tables. I can do. Okay. Yeah, but no. Yeah, forget about that, Shiva. So no one will ask you that question. Okay. And the requirement, no, the tables. I want a list of the tables. Uh, for you also not required. Okay. So can you give me one reason why you wanted all the tables? No. So yeah, generally no. No. So generally we'll create one schema, but for the practice purpose, you created many schemas. Generally we'll have only one schema and standard. That's way. Like no, you put it CH, PES. We will not do like that. We'll properly. Yeah, but practice also. That's what I'm saying. So even if you organize laptop, I told you, right? Folders also you should not keep it. It's my laptop. I can put it anywhere. No, it won't work like that. Okay, life is easy only if you organize well. Okay, so that's okay, Shiva. Okay, forget about that. List all the table names. I know there is a command. I remember long time. There is a system table from system. We can write some sys table. It lists all the tables. Okay, but I need to see. Okay, so we'll focus on web methods now. Okay, is it okay? Because we need like next 1 week. I wanted you guys to master this web methods. I'm planning like your exam on 6th, 7th. That is my target. Okay, because there is another on the top. There are few guys in the same in our company. They are also daily forcing me like where are we? They are asking me to give the status. Okay, right now you interacted with Ramna and me. There are two more guys are also there in our company. Okay, they are my boss. Okay, so uh, I need to report them. They told me to finish it by 6. I wanted, they are asking me to make you guys experts. Okay, so Ramna work is done. He explained database. Now my work is to finish it. Okay, we'll introduce other guys also. Okay, when they are very busy, but I will introduce them also once we've done. I wanted to show them like you are experts in web methods. Okay. Yeah, Shiva. Anusha, what about you? You have created table, customer table. You already have, right?
Already I have, sir, but in wait, sir.
Shiva will show you, but I don't
Ah,
want
oh,
to do everything to show. Like I wanted to go others also.
okay, sir.
Can you share the screen and we'll do. Shiva, help now, Anusha. Okay. And Jashwant, you can also help. Nagaraj, you can also. It's kind of a collectively. What she's done wrong, how we can understand web methods developers. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's say I'm an architect for the project. I will interact with the customer. I will take the requirement. I will put it on a Word document and share with you. Okay, I will ask you, hey guys, go and develop the code. Okay, I will explain little bit the functionality also. Okay, now once a functionality you develop, right, you do the testing. You will also do the testing the way like you did for addition two numbers. If a number list is given, you have added all the numbers, right, sum and average you did, right. After that you tested, right. Okay, so you will do the testing, development and unit testing you will do. After you do the testing, there is a separate team will be there, testing team. Okay, there is a separate testing team will be there. They don't know development. What you develop, they don't know. What they know is the requirement, what they are expecting the output. Okay, they will go and test your code. Clear? Are you getting everyone?
Yes, sir, getting, sir.
Okay, once the testing is done, they will give a sign off. Sign off means this is this code is good. There is no issues, any defects in this code. If they find any defects, they will assign to you, hey, there is a defect in the code, go and fix it. Then as a developer, we'll analyze and we'll fix that code. Okay, and then we will ask again testing team to test our code. Once testing is done, all the defects are fixed, that code will be deployed in production. Okay, in production means actual real customer data will be there. So that database we will not touch, we will not update, we will not create anything. Our code only will do, but not we will not do anything with the database. You are getting right? It's a real data will be there. Still not clear, correct? Suppose let's say I will come back. I will explain that. Notepad. But okay. But today's assignment, I wanted what I am expecting. I will tell you again. Okay. First, here I am explaining in Anusha's laptop. So let's say there are three teams, two teams will be there, three teams will be there generally in a project. Architects, okay, developers, QA or tester. In Hyderabad, you have seen maybe someone says, hey, we will give the testing training and all, right? Okay. So maybe your friends, some of your friends also already started learning testing.
Yes,
also.
sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. So those are the testers. Okay. As architects, business users, okay, beats. Okay. These guys try to understand the requirement, what business is going on, how business is going, what is required. All those they will try to understand. Sometimes developer also involved. Okay, business users and developers all together involved in getting the requirement. Okay, once we got the requirement, we'll ask developer to develop the code. Okay, before developing the code, we'll ask them, hey, how we are going to develop, make a document. Are you getting? So
Yes, sir.
we'll ask the developer to create some kind of a technical document, how we are going to do the coding. Okay, once a developer is done that one, he will actually do the coding. Okay, once the code is done, okay, so developer database, dev database, we call it as a database. So database is just for the developers to use, okay, doing the development. Is that clear? The way like you guys are using developer database, right? Everything is in your laptop, but actual project, the database is not with you. It will be somewhere else. Okay. Questions? All are silent.
Yes, sir.
I'm teaching normally, right? Not like a high-fi rocket
Yes,
science.
sir.
No, right? Easy
Yes,
to
sir.
understand or not?
Understand.
Okay. Okay. So as a developer, we do the coding. Doing the coding, we will use a development environment database. Development environment database. Okay. So there is a database. In an organization we'll have one database only, not like in every laptop we have a database, right? It will be it's not like that. One database only will be installed on some of the server. The database connection details will be shared with you. Okay, while developing code, you will connect to that development database and you will do the coding. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, once you done the coding, you will do some kind of unit testing. Code testing, yourself doing the testing, like whether the code is working or not, any issues. Okay, yeah, so all those things you will do the testing as per the requirement, you coded or not, you will do the proper testing yourself. Okay, once you done, you are satisfied that code, then we will have a testing environment. There is a test environment. Okay, code will be deployed here. Okay, and database will be testing DB. Okay, so here you are using development environment DB. Here we will use testing environment DB. Okay, and our code will be deployed there, and testers will do the testing.
Okay.
Okay, so here we don't have any access. Only till here only we'll have access. Like no, we can do anything till here. Okay.
Okay.
Once the code went to QA, there is a separate team. They will do the testing. Okay. They will, if any issues are there, they will log a defect. They will not fix any of our issue. They don't know about our code. They don't know whether we developed in .NET, whether we developed in Java or web methods. They don't know. They know only functional. They use some kind of tools for testing. Okay. So once they do the testing, okay, if any defects comes, they will assign to us saying that, hey, this is a defect, go and fix it. Okay. Once we do the testing, everything is done. Once testers are tested, if they are happy with the code, then it goes to production. Production is nothing but live, like any user outside, like not ours, customers will start using our code. Okay, like banks you are accessing, right? Those are production. We call it as a production. Okay, bank whatever URLs you are using, logging and verification, those things we call it as a production. It's running in the production. Okay, it's a separate environment, prod environment. Okay, so we'll see all those things slowly. Okay, but I need everyone to learn web methods first. Then we'll see real work. Okay. If you delivered by 6, everyone is masters in web methods, you will work in all these phases. Okay, so here what we are doing is, this is generally one connection, but we will have a multiple connections here. Okay, database connections, whichever we wanted, we'll select it. Okay, let's say here one database is for dev environment, one database is QA, one database for production, like that many will be there. Okay, so Jashwant, you are asking, like you created a database, a table in a workbench. Okay, so how we are coming to this one, SQL, sorry, web methods designer. We are selecting that SQL query from here. SQL means the table from here. Any questions? Jashwant, Nagaraju? No, right?
No, sir.
Okay. I have a questions for you. Okay. Assignment is also. I need these things to be done today because everyone is now able to connect. I have not checked Meghana's one, but Meghana, you are going to create a document, Word document, everyone, and you are sharing with me by 6 p.m. sharp. Okay,
Okay,
everyone.
sir.
Okay, so I need get customer one. You should query all. We already done. Should return all rows in the table. Okay, get customer. Second one is get customer by ID. Okay, and I given the name. So customer ID, whatever the name is there. Okay, return customer details for matching customer ID. Okay, I need this one. Insert a customer. Okay, insert a create customer. I will call it as a create customer. Create customer. Okay, yeah, so that means create a new customer record. Okay, okay, delete customer by ID. Generally, customer will delete one row at a time. Okay, delete a customer. Delete a customer by given ID. Okay, all three I wanted. Okay, and next question is, have you done store procedure? Did Ramana express store procedure? SQL, no? Okay, that's fine. So he's explained joins, join.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So I have two tables, created two tables, student, okay, and course. Okay, so here student ID, okay, student name, okay, course ID. Okay, here, yeah, tables. Yes, create a new table. Okay, course table. There are two tables. Okay, course ID and the course name.
Course name.
Okay. I wanted like student. If I give student ID, I want student ID, student name, course name. I need like that. Okay, you got it right. I want result should be. So insert some data in about tables. I say okay. From not from the this one my web methods. Insert data into about tables using MySQL workbench. Are getting right? Not from the this one designer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Not from software. Okay. AG. SWAG. Not from a designer. Okay. Not from designer. Okay. So now from designer. Okay. Query both tables. Query about tables. Okay. And display result as shown below. Okay, you're getting right. So from designer, I wanted this one. Okay, result should be like this. How I need
Student ID, student name.
correct.
Only course name.
Yeah. Okay, so this comes under joins. Okay, So I need these two. Okay, I want by 6 p.m. in a Word document, step by step, whatever you did. First, to test it, everything is working or fine, not. Okay, then delete all those packages. Okay, do it again. At the time, second time, take the screenshots. Can you do that?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, keep it everything. We'll go with the other things. Okay. And the next one is not only this one. We are running out of the time. I want chapter 7 to be studied. Chapter 5, 6 again. I need notes also. Okay. So okay, Anusha, can you copy these things and paste it in WhatsApp group, our group?
Okay, sir.
Which one? Joins. Uh, I don't know, Joins. Okay. So I will ask Ramna to again connect you.
Uh,
Okay, designer. Okay. So okay. So here no. Yeah. So here okay. Yeah. I will explain. Because no, actually I'm working on many technologies. Okay. It's like so remembering all technologies is not possible. Okay. Okay. So here table 1 we have created it. I can create table 2. I will select table 2. So this one is a student. Let's say assuming first one. This one is a customer table. This one is student table. You can select. Okay. You wanted to join these two tables. That's why you selected those two tables. Okay. Okay. So here I will tell you. So here no customer is selected, but assuming this is a student table. Okay. You select a student. Okay. Next one is a course. Okay. Then I will go to the join here. I will click here. Okay. So left table, right table. You have things are there, right?
Yes.
So here it shows, but here you can select. It will actually if you have two tables, let me show. So if you have some table, we'll select Anusha. Let's say she's having any other table. So I will select
Table customer
person.
also.
Let's say person. I'm just selecting now. Okay, two tables are selected. Joins. If I go, you have a column here. So you can select T2. You're getting. So whichever you wanted to make a join. So left column versus right. The same query, what you did in joinings, right? Left join. So you're taking a first table column dot column equal to second table something column.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is how you can do. Okay. Clear, right?
Yes.
So I want everyone to create the document, please, and we need quick. Little bit more hard work is needed. Okay. And then I want those things. Chapter 5, 6. I want everyone to go through it and send me the notes. Okay. So this Sunday also we are working, guys. Okay. Make sure you available Sunday also. This Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just give me 2 weeks. 7th,
Sir,
7th. Yeah. Kedar.
sir,
Yes.
Sai Teja, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm just having a small confusion, sir. Nothing but in that table, in the T1, it's there, no, sir. Anusha current schema customer.
Hmm.
I didn't getting that one, sir. Actually,
I think
Okay.
you didn't select it.
Shiva, I think I created student table, customer table. I have to create a database also.
Sir, is created in workbench. How to add this data into this?
Yeah,
Just
you
give me
share
a
the
minute.
Can you share the screen? We'll come to know.
Sir, in the workbench, looks
Second. Okay.
is-
Okay. Can you
and
go to the second, right? Okay. Can you go there? Can you go your
and
SoftwareAG.
age, sir. Yes, sir.
SoftwareAG? Okay. So click on the dot. Suppose at the end you will have a dot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, click on the dot. Okay, your second table. Not showing.
It's not there, sir.
Okay.
In second, he did not notice.
Okay. Customer table.
Use second. You go say use second. Use second.
Customer dot.
Customer.
No, customer dot. Oh God,
Sir,
sorry.
customer spelling.
Yeah. C double. Okay. Double. Why 2 times it's printing? Okay.
It can't execute, I think so. Right.
Okay. Here it is coming. Okay. Okay. Let me select one more time. Create adapter service. Let me take JDBC adapter. webMethods, my local. Select query. Finish. Okay, so it's a strange issue. We'll see later. We cannot spend time on that. So create which one is showing, right? Whichever is showing. Let's say first one. Under that, we create the table and see.
Already is a table for student.
Okay, delete the table.
And that there is a data, sir.
Yeah, you can use the table, same table. You can use that same table, right? Inside that, you can add custom course ID. Extra, you can add. You know how to add, right? Alter, you can do, right? Alter table
Yes.
and just add a student ID.
Add column name.
Yeah. So this is a time to learn. That's why we database we starting explain, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try create a table, alter the table, use that table.
Okay, sir.
That's okay. Extra columns are there. That's fine. Add one course ID extra. Insert update the table with each row. You can update course ID 1, 2, 3 for something and create
Okay,
and then test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. So assignment is given. I need 5, 6 chapters. Everyone should go, including Sairam also. Please, Shiva Prasad, can you call you inform, right? Okay. Okay. Please finish it. We want more efforts. We are very slow now. Okay, but that's good. Like, we solved many issues. I will solve tomorrow that universal messaging. Okay.
Sir, it was solved, sir. Universal.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
yours is solved.
Yes, sir.
Wow. What you did?
Have in the universal message create like MySQL, same process.
Okay, same process, right? Okay. Can you help Shiva Prasad also?
Yes, sir. After the class, he said.
Okay. Okay then. So Shiva Prasad and one suggestion we help now. Try to help Nagaraj also, so that everyone should be at least okay ready. Tomorrow we'll discuss again this MQ. Okay. Not James, not MQ, JMS. Then you are good with the database and this one, universal messaging tomorrow. And then we'll go through the